Hello everyone, welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, we're delving into creating a distinctive glitch effect reminiscent of old VCR players when fast-forwarding or rewinding. So, let's jump right into the tutorial without further ado. To get started, make sure you have a video clip, a black video, and an adjustment layer. You can easily create a black video and adjustment layer by right-clicking on an empty space in your project window, navigating to New Item, and selecting Adjustment Layer and Black Video. Now, let's create a video sequence from our clip. Right-click on the video and choose New Sequence from Clip. For this tutorial, we won't need audio, so I'll unlink the video and audio by selecting the video clip, pressing Ctrl+L, and deleting the audio clip. Here's the plan. I'll divide my timeline into 3 parts: normal playback, rewind in the middle, and back to normal. To achieve this, I'll create a copy of the video by dragging it forward while holding the Alt key. Make sure to keep holding Alt until the drag and drop is complete. Now to make the rewind effect, I'll increase the playback speed. Right-click on the video, choose Speed/Duration, and increase the playback speed by 250%. Also select Reverse Speed to play the video in reverse. To make the rewind smoother, I'll enlarge the video track, enable time remapping keyframes. Okay, now you can see there is a new horizontal line appeared in the middle of video. So now I am going to set a keyframe right here by clicking on line while pressing Ctrl key. Adjust the speed to your liking by dragging the keyframe handles. Now, let's add those distinctive horizontal lines. Drag a black video on top of the timeline and apply a noise effect with 100% noise amount. Next, add the wave warp effect. Choose Sawtooth as wave type and adjust the height until you get smooth lines. Rotate the lines to be horizontal by changing the direction to 180. Adjust the width until 2 or 3 lines remain on the screen. Tweak the animation speed for a better effect. Moving on, I want to add a shaking effect and a bit of noise to the entire video. Place an adjustment layer on top of both the video and black video layers. I'm adjusting the darkness of the lines by changing the blend mode of the black video to lighten. Let's check the effect in action. If it's too intense, consider adjusting the blend mode further. Now, apply the same effects to the adjustment layer. Select Smooth Noise, gives the wave type. Set the direction to 180, then change wave height to 200 and wave width to 1600. Now we apply the noise effect to adjustment layer and change noise amount to 20% because we do not need more noise in this as before. Okay, let's check the effect in action. Sometimes you may notice black edges in your video due to the applied effects. Resolve this by setting the pinning option to all edges. Due to my PC limitations, there is little lag playing the video, so I'll mark the in and out points and render the affected area for smoother playback. There you have it, your video now features a unique rewind glitch effect. Experiment with the settings to create your personalized effects. Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.